Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS revises Form 1024A application for Section 501c4 tax-exempt status as part of ongoing efforts to improve service. IR 2021-02, January 5th, 2021, Washington. As part of ongoing efforts to improve service for the tax-exempt community, the Internal Revenue Service issued the revised Form 1024A application for recognition of exemption under Section 501c4. There's a link to that form here, and its instructions to allow electronic filing. So once again, they're updating their electronic filing, which is nice. We had the amended tax returns in the past as something that possibly we can electronically file, which was a huge benefit. So we got some of these other forms that are, for whatever reason, lagging behind, but now they're picking them up for the electronic filing. So, quote, electronic filing will make the Form 1024A application easier to complete while reducing errors, end quote, said Edward Killen, Acting Commissioner of the IRS Tax-Exempt and Government Entities Division. Quote, electronic filing also shortens IRS processing time so applicants won't wait as long for a response, end quote. Beginning January 5th, 2021, IRS will make available the electronic version of the Form 1024A that organizations seeking to be exempt under Section 501c4 may use to submit online at Pay.gov. There's a link to Pay.gov here. The IRS will provide a 90-day grace period during which it will continue to accept paper versions of Form 1024A Revenue 01-2018. However, after April 5th, the Form 1024A must be submitted electronically. So they're basically going to move to the electronic filing, and once done, once past the grace period, there's no going back, there's no paper file. It's all electronic from that point forward. So the required user fee for Form 1024 will remain $600 for 2021. Applicants must pay the fee through Pay.gov when submitting the form. Payments can be made directly from a bank account or by credit or debit card. Subscribed to Exempt Organizations Update, there's a link to that here, a free IRS newsletter for forms, updates, and other exempt organization news. Additional information on how to apply for IRS recognition as tax-exempt status. There's links to these items down below. Applying for tax-exempt status on irs.gov. Form 1024A electronic filing overview presentation on stayexempt.irs.gov. And then there's the Revenue Procedure 2021-08. There's the links to those items here. There'll be a link to this in the description.